Hey, why the long faces?
Jack failed his cooking exam, and he's gonna move out.
Move out? It's a good thing I showed up when I did. Jack, it's time you and I had a talk. Just the two of us. Now hear this. What's all this about you running away? Don't you know when the going gets tough, the tough get going? So you fail, big deal. Look at me. I failed almost everything I've ever tried. I've never really amounted to anything. My whole life has just been one big failure after another. I'm the laughing stock of my family. The only reason I have this job is because my brother owns the building. Jack, if you can wait till tomorrow, I'll go with you. I'm so depressed. Oh, hi, Jack.
Hi.
Hey, you look like you just lost your last friend.
Both of them.
Oh, did you girls have a spat?
I'd really rather not talk about it now if you don't mind, okay?
Hey, all kidding aside, don't be so depressed, Jack. On a beautiful night like this, the moon is bright, there's the smell of jasmine in the air.
Mr. Furley.
Listen, you're young, you've got your whole career ahead of you. You've got a family that loves you. Look at me, I've got none of those things. But am I unhappy? You're darn right I am.
Mr. Furley, hey, don't feel bad.
What have I got to feel good about?
Well, look at you. You've got... Isn't the moon bright tonight? Jasmine in the air.
That's not jasmine, that's our garbage. It's too late for me, Jack, but there's still time for you. Now you run upstairs and straighten things out with Cindy and Janet.
Well, maybe later.
Not later, now. Friends are just too hard to come by. I don't know, I don't have any.